Hi everyone. So in this video we will be solving TCS coding problem which got asked in TCS NQT 2025. And majorly in this video I will be discussing about the thing which every other person is doing the same mistake. Okay, so I will explain you the concept though. Okay, so basically what is happening actually when the exam got happened in 2025 for TCS NQT, they asked this question. Okay, but in this question the inputs were not in the direct arrays. Okay, so what actually happened in our mock test, what we are doing is we are replicating the same thing. Okay, so yesterday we took the live session for this as well, but what happened, every other student is doing the same mistake, so that I am creating this video. Okay, because on our WhatsApp group, in the instruction, in the live test, in the live session, we told the students, please check the test cases carefully. Please check the inputs carefully. But still, the students are so much into the lead code. The students are so much into the hacker rank that they are not listening. They are again and again doing the same mistake. We are giving the input in string, again they are taking the input in array. We are giving the input in integer, they are taking the input in string. We are giving the input in string, they are taking the input as integer. Again the same and same mistakes the students are repeating. From our side also we told them multiple times, please don't do this mistake, don't do this mistake, but again and again and again they are doing the same mistake. Okay, so in this question also the students are doing the same mistake. Okay, so we will discuss about that mistake. First of all, I just want to tell you that this is our mock test series. In that, yesterday we took the live session as well, in which I told them how to take the inputs. Please see the test cases properly. Again the students are doing the same mistake. After that, we are providing the daily practice test, we are providing the live test. Okay, this is the question which we are discussing, that is also the part of live test. Okay, then we are providing the individual short test, also the full length live test also we will be conducting in March. And if you are preparing for TCS NQT, only 10 days are left. The best way is to now give the mock test, as many as mock test you can give. Okay, this will be the only way to prepare from now, because see, if you will watch the videos, if you will be giving more time to the videos, it will be wasting the time. Okay, so as much as mock test you can give, you can try to give the mock test. We are providing as much as many mock tests we can give. Daily test we are providing, full length mock test definitely we will be conducting, practice coding sheets we are providing, so everything will be there. So definitely you can purchase a series, it will help you a lot. The link will be in the description already. If you have not purchased it, you are very late. Now please don't waste your time. Okay, quickly purchase it if you want to prepare for TCS NQT through the mock test. Okay, it's your choice, but if you want to give the mock test, you can purchase it today only, because then it will become very late for you. Okay, the link will be in the description. Now, about the question we were talking about, the main thing is, see, whenever the question is given, first understand the question. After understanding the question, the main part is check the test cases, check the constraints, how they have given the constraints. It is very important. If you will not see this in TCS, at least it will create a lot of problem. Test cases are very important to check what kind of input they have provided, how many things they have provided. These kind of things definitely you should aware of. Okay, so first of all, if you will see here, they are talking about a major railway junction manages hundred of trains daily. Due to the infrastructure constraints, the station authority wants to determine the minimum number of platform requests so that no train has to wait. The arrival time of the trains are given, the departure time of the trains are given here as an array. A platform cannot be shared if a train arrives before or at the same time another train departs. Your task is to compute the minimum number of platform requests so that no trains waits. This is the basic question. So input format, if you will go through, there is a number n given, then arrival times and departure time is given. So they are saying the arrival time is space separated, the departure time is also the space separated. First the arrival times are given, then the departure times are given. So n is the number of arrival times and the departure times, so they have provided the 6. So 6 will be the total number of arrival times, then there will be total 6 departure times. So the starting 6 will be the arrival time, then the next 6 will be the departure times. Okay, so if you will look carefully, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, these all will be the arrival times. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these will be the departure time. So these are the departure time and this is the arrival time. Okay, so now we have the arrival time and departure times, but if you will look carefully here, the main thing is the arrival and departure time. If you will look closely, the string is given here, the number, the array is given here in the string format. Okay, so check here. It is carefully check here, please. Here, it is in string format. It is not numbers. Okay, the array is not given in numbers. So first we need to convert this string into the proper array. Into the proper array. When you will convert into the proper array, okay, then only you can proceed with the algorithm. Okay, so this is the thing which you need to do first. So on our website, we have provided the input sheet. So when you will log in, you can see the input sheet. Okay. So we'll just check the input sheet. Okay. So input sheet we have already provided here. Okay. So now check this. Okay. Now check this. What kind of input is there? So if we want to convert the array like this, okay, array like this into if this array is given into the string, if we want to convert it into the array, this will be the code for C++. Okay, this is the code for C++. And if we want to convert this array into Java, so this will be the code for Java. Please look at it, look at this carefully. And this will be the code for Python. Okay, this will be the code for Python. So these three things we already provided. All kind of inputs you will be getting in this sheet. So first, if you are using Python, you will be using this code. If you are using Java, you will be using this code. And if you are using C++, you will be using this code to convert it into a proper input. Okay. After converting it into the proper input, then we will start our algorithm. Okay. So see, let's discuss about the algorithm. So if we will convert it into the input, what will be the algorithm for this? Okay. So after converting it into the proper input, our arrival array will look like 900, 940. Okay. Then it is 950, 950, 1100, 1500, 1800. Okay. So this will be our arrival. This will be our departure array. Okay. Departure array we have as 9, 10, 1200, 9, 10, 1200, then 11, 20, 11, 30, 11, 20, 11, 30, 11, I think 11, 900, okay, 11, 900, and then 2000, okay. Okay, now how we will solve this question? This is a very standard problem. I know most of the guys, you know how to solve this question. So see, we need to place the train and we want the minimum platforms. Okay, minimum platforms should be in the use. Okay, so if we want the minimum platforms to schedule the trains, okay, there should be no overlapping timings, right? There should be no overlapping timings. If there is any overlapping timing, then we need to allocate the new platform. Okay, this is the main thing which we should know. Okay, so let's check if we will sort this array out. Okay, so this array is already sorted. The second array, if you will see, that is not sorted. Okay, so departure array, first of all, we will sort it out. So this will be our departure array now. It's 910, then 1120, 1130, then 1200, then 1900, and then there is 2000. So this will be our sorted array for departure time. Okay, because see why we are sorting, because if we know what is the minimum time where any train departs, then that platform will be free, right? That platform will be free and we can schedule another train if the time is not overlapping. Okay, so now we know the arrival time of trains. Now we know the departure time of trains. Okay, so now we can perform our algorithm. We will start our ith index from here, we will start our jth index from here. Now we will check if the arrival time is less than departure time, then we can allocate the platform. So currently the number of platform will be 1. Okay, number of platform will be 1 because the arrival time is less than the departure time, so that at least one platform we should allocate. Now the next arrival time, now we will increase it, we will keep the j pointer here as the arrival time is less. Okay, so we will do I plus plus, and now our I will be pointing out to 940. Okay, now if you will see here at 940, we are at 940, and our departure time, the j pointer is on 910. Okay, so this train can be free, this train will go before 940, right? So we can free this platform, so the number of platform will become now 0. Okay, because this is less than the arrival time, and we will increase our j pointer, so j pointer will go here. Okay, now again we will check, so the arrival time is 940, departure time is 1120. Now the arrival time is less than departure time, so definitely the platform number will increase to 1. Okay, now again we will increase our ith pointer because the arrival time is less than the departure time. Now ith pointer will point out here. Now we have 950. So again this 950 is less than the departure time, so we cannot free the platform, right? So again the platform number will increase to 2, and our I pointer will be doing plus plus. Okay, now we will be on 1100. So again this arrival time is less than the departure time, so again we cannot free the platform. Again the number of platform will increase to 3. Okay, so again our platform will increase to 3, and we will be here. Okay, now again I plus plus we will be doing. Now we are at 1500. Now we are at 1500, but if you will see here the departure time is less, so this train will go, so we can free this platform. So it will do minus minus, and we will the platform numbers will be 2 now, and we will increase the jth pointer. Now again we are at 1130. Again this is less than 1500, so this train can also go. Our platform number will become 1, and we will move to j plus plus. Again this 200 number is less than 1500. Again we can free this platform, and our platform will become 0, and we will move forward with 1900. Now our ith pointer is on 1500, jth pointer on 1900. The arrival time is less than the departure time. Again the platform will increase to 1, so 1 will be there, and we will increase the ith pointer. Now we have 1800, and this is on 1900. Again we will increase the platform number, it will become 2, and our array is done. Okay, our loop will exit, and we will check the maximum platform which was required at the peak hour. It was 3, so our answer will become 3. Simple. This will be our algorithm. For that, the code will be this. Okay, again I am saying, see, if you want to enroll in a mock test, the full length mock test we are providing, this kind of practice coding share sets we are providing, and the input outputs also we are providing in the TCS style. So full length mock test also we are starting. Short tests are already going on, daily practice sets are already going on, so don't miss this. You can enroll in the course in the description, and only if you have 10 days you will give lagatar the mock test, you will be giving the daily test, and that way you can practice a lot. Okay, now looking up to the answer, the first thing which we'll be doing, we will be taking the input of n. Okay, n is an integer, we don't need to convert it into the string to integer. Okay, then we will be taking the input line, we will be taking the get line input as it is in string. Okay, then we will be using the string stream. Okay, that's what we do to actually extract the input. Then we will be creating the arrival and departure array of the size n. Then we will be taking the value in arrival array as integer. Then we will be taking the input in departure array as integer. Okay, so this way we will be taking the inputs. Okay, after that sorry sorry, you can convert it into the integer manually also. Okay, you can do the manual transformation also. If you will see our sheet which we were talking about. Okay, if you will see our sheet, so in this already we have provided how you can take the inputs in integer. Okay, through the through strings. Okay, so that same code we are using here to taking the integer in to convert the string into the integer. Okay, then we are sorting the arrival array, we are sorting the departure array. After that we are keeping these two pointers I and j. Okay, the platform number, maximum platform. Then we are making this loop, I is less than j, j is less than n, I is less than n, and j is less than a. Again the same condition we are checking. If the arrival time is less than the departure time which we were discussing, we will increase increase the platform number, we will update the maximum platform if it is exceeding the maximum platform, and we will do I plus plus. Otherwise, we will be doing platform minus minus and J plus plus. This is the same thing which we have discussed. At last, we will be printing the maximum platform. Okay, so this will be our code, and I hope you guys got it. Main thing was this input thing which I wanted to discuss. Thank you so much for watching.